Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials: an updated iPhone, active Apple ID, and a linked payment method. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign, then select Apple Card to start the application flow. Enter your legal name, address, SSN, and tap Continue so Apple can verify identity. Once done, review the interest rates and terms. Make decisions now about having a physical titanium card versus digital-only use. This secures instant eligibility and gets you to active use within minutes. Now you configure how you'll use the Apple Card and why each choice matters. In Wallet, tap card details to set a payment schedule and enable automatic payments to avoid interest charges. Manual payments offer flexibility but require discipline. Activate daily cash so you earn immediate rewards on purchases. You'll see cash back in Wallet. Once set, use the card for contactless Apple Pay purchases, label merchants for budgeting, and add family members if you want shared access and controlled spending. To finish, regularly review statements and pay on time to build credit and avoid interest. Use Wallet to dispute charges. Tap a transaction, choose Report an Issue, and submit details. This creates a record and speeds resolution. If you need changes, adjust limits or order a new physical card from card details. If something goes wrong, make sure your iOS and Apple ID are current. Then contact Apple Card support via messages in Wallet for guided help and escalation if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.